in the earth beneath my feet. Whispers of wind, they softly call. Salt flats stretching endless soul. Mirage of dreams on horizons wide. Nature's canvas, no place to hide. Footsteps fade like grains of sand. Here I'm small yet understand. Oh, the salt flats sing their tune beneath the sun, beneath the moon. Empty spaces full of grace, a quiet rhythm in this place. Oh, the salt flats sing their tune beneath the sun, beneath the moon. Empty spaces full of grace, a quiet rhythm in this place. Reflections pool where skies align. A mirror world where stars still shine. The silence hums its sacred beat. A tranquil pulse my heart repeats. Let the stillness wrap me tight. A calming cloak in endless light. No need to run, no need to race. Out here I found my quiet space. Oh, the salt flats sing their tune beneath the sun, beneath the moon. Empty spaces full of grace, a quiet rhythm in this space. Oh, the salt flats sing their tune beneath the sun, beneath the moon. Empty spaces full of grace, a quiet rhythm in this place.
Footsteps crunch where the silence hums. Under a sky where the wild heart runs. Salt mirrors stretch where the world unwinds. A quiet song in the back of my mind. The air is thick with a heavy calm. A barren sea holds the sun in its palm. Endless white as far as I can see. Nature whispers its secrets to me. Oh, the flats, they sing so soft, so low. A melody where the stillness flows. Time dissolves like the salt in my hand. Walking free on this endless land. Shadows dance where the horizon bends. Each step feels like it never ends. The earth it sighs and the breeze replies. A tranquil world beneath open skies. I breathe it in this sacred space. A fleeting world I can't replace. The salt it clings to my weary shoes. A quiet peace in these endless hues. Oh, the flats, they sing so soft, so low. A melody where the stillness flows. Time dissolves like the salt in my hand. Walking free on this endless land. walking slow where the sky meets the ground. Footsteps echo but there's no one around. The salt is crisp like a crystal sea. Nature whispers her song to me.
Clouds hang low like they're painting the blue. Shadows stretch out as the sun breaks through. Endless white where the earth stands still. The world is quiet but my heart feels filled. Salt flats under my feet, a place where calm and chaos meet. Every step feels like a dream. Life's a river and I'm the stream. The breeze is soft like a gentle hand, guiding me through this other world land. No walls, no roads, just an open space. This is freedom I can't replace. I breathe it in, the vastness calls. The weight of life begins to fall. Here I'm small, yet infinite too. This endless place feels like the truth. Salt flats under my feet, a place where calm and chaos meet. Every step feels like a dream. Life's a river and I'm the stream.